In question number 10.16, arrange the compounds of each set in order of reactivity towards SN2 displacement. So, by substitution nucleophilic bimolecular mechanism, what are the factors which can affect the reactivity? So, on the basis of that only, we can arrange all these compounds. So, first of all, let us see in SN2 mechanism, the reaction is taking place by this mechanism, and here transition state is formed first, and after that final compound, and breaking and making of the bond is taking place simultaneously. By that only transition state we are getting, which is highly unstable. It is in the bracket, and after that we can get the product, and the Br minus is the leaving group. So here in this case we have to remember that the reactivity will depend upon how easily OH minus ion can approach this carbon which is containing bromine. Because if bigger groups are present around this, then it will be very difficult for OH minus ion to attack this carbon, and bond formation will be difficult. So reactivity will be more if it is primary halide, and it will be less when it is tertiary. In case of tertiary, the approach of OH minus ion will be very difficult. So that is why in case of tertiary, reactivity should be minimum. Now come to the first one. So here the first one is 2-bromo-2-methyl butane. Butane, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom, 2 bromo. 2 bromo and 2 methyl. This is tertiary halide. So here also we are writing the remaining hydrogen. So this is tertiary halide. And now next one is 1-bromopentane. 1-bromopentane is pentane, that means 5 carbon in one line. And 1-bromo, that means the first carbon is containing bromine. So this is CH2, 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 and this is pentane. 1-bromopentane. This one is primary halide. And third one is 2-bromopentane, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2-bromo, that means second carbon is having bromine. So it is CH2, CH, CH2, CH2, and this is CH3. This one is secondary alkyl halide. Now out of this, reactivity is minimum in this case and maximum in this case. So we can write that in this case 1-bromopentane, 1-bromopentane, pentane reactivity is maximum. After that, it is the 2-bromo, 2-bromo, pentane, pentane, and the reactivity is minimum in case of tertiary, that is 2-bromo, 2-methyl butane. So this is the order in case of first. Now come to second. In second, 1-bromo, 3-methyl butane. So it is one butane, that means 4 carbon atoms, one bromo, that means first carbon is having bromine, and 3 methyl, 1, 2, 3 methyl is here, third carbon methyl group, and remaining hydrogen. So remaining hydrogen we can write here, and this should be the structure of the first compound, CH3. So this is 1 bromo 3 methyl butane. Now in this case, this is the primary one. Now come to second one. 2 bromo 2 methyl butane. So here we can write 1, 2, 3, 4 butane again. Second carbon is having methyl group, and second carbon is having bromine 2. 2 bromo 2 methyl, and then CH3, CH2, CH3. This is the second one, and this halide is actually tertiary halide. Now come to the last one, 2 bromo 3 methyl, and it is butane again. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 butane, 2 bromo 3 methyl, 2 bromo. So second is having bromine, and 3 methyl is here, and this is CH3, CH, CH, CH3. This compound here, bromine is secondary. Bromine. So here again we can say that primary reactivity is maximum, and after that secondary, and then tertiary. So we can write that it is the 1 bromo 3 methyl butane, where the reactivity is maximum because it is primary. Then 2 bromo 3 methyl butane, after that the least is in case of 2 bromo 2 methyl butane. So reactivity is again depend upon the steric hindrance, and where the hindrance is minimum, reactivity should be more. Now come to the third one. In case of third, 1 bromobutane is 1 bromobutane, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 bromo. So remaining hydrogen CH2, CH2 and CH3. This is 1 bromobutane, and it is primary halide. This one is primary halide. And second compound given is 1 bromo 2,2-dimethyl. 1 bromo dimethyl propane. So propane is 1, 2, 3, and 1 bromo is here, and 2,2-dimethyl, that means 2 methyl groups are attached to second carbon atom, and then propane. So here we have to add 2 hydrogen, no hydrogen needed here, and here again. So this is actually again primary halide, but methyl groups are quite close. So steric hindrance is more in this case. Now after that The last one is 1-bromo-2-methyl-butane. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 bromo, that means here 1 bromine is present, and 2 methyl, that means here 1 methyl group is present, and after that we are writing the hydrogen. So CH, then CH2, then CH3. So this is again CH2Br, that means primary halide. Now what happens if all are primary halide? Then we have to check the proximity of bigger group. If the bigger group is quite close to that carbon where a halide is present, then the reactivity will be less. So in this case, this compound should have 1 bromo, should have highest reactivity, should be here in the first compound, that is this one. So we can write here, do we have the space enough? Yes, we can make it. So 1 bromo butane, 1 bromo butane. This should have highest reactivity. And after that it is 1 bromo 2 methyl butane. 1 bromo, third one, bromo 2 methyl butane. Butane, and the reactivity is minimum in case of 1 bromo 2 methyl butane. 1 bromo 2 dimethyl 2 dimethyl butane. Is it butane? No, propane. Propane it is. So here the reactivity is minimum.